Hello everyone, this is Arul Pushpam and welcome to SitecoreShades. This video I am going to show you how to do the serialization and for some of the components I have directly added the view files in the www root. So so we have to add all those files in the Visual Studio solution. So I'm going to work on that and I will show you how to do the serialization and how to move our view folders from Visual Studio into our www root. So let's get started. So for first, we have to take all the latest items from Sitecore into our Visual Studio solution. Actually, I have created a lot of new pages and new components in my site code, but I didn't do the serialization in the Visual Studio. So definitely, I have to move all the files in the version control. So I have to do that. So let's open the terminal. And what's the command? The command is pull.ps1 to serialize the changes from Sitecore into Git repository. CD and then T tab and then S tab and then enter and then pull tab and yes, enter. It's showing some users. What is the issue? Cannot be cached. The content. Okay, let's try to run the validator PS1. Okay, it's done. So let's run the pull.ps1 again. Still, I'm getting the same issue. So it's showing themes with different ID, non-unique. Okay, I think uh, I have a same item, but I think I have a same item with a different ID. Let's check the path. Go to Sitecore and then media library and then themes and Sitecore shades, stand block, and then here and then fonts. Okay, here I can see the font housing it's in two times. So let's remove that. And yeah, I hope we won't face this issue. I hope it may resolve. Let's check pull.ps on. Yes. So now I can see the latest items are added in my version control. So let's check that. And I could see the available rendering and I could see our template. And okay. Actually, for this blog item, we have to add the new project, but it's automatically coming. How is it coming? The foundation serialization and then template feature and Sitecore shades. I think it's really wrong. We have to do the serialization only for the core data files. In the feature data, we have to add the serialization JSON. Then only it should be added here. So let's check that. Go to project and then project.json and it's template, right? So we can find the template in the foundation serialization. So where is the template path? Mm. Okay, actually I have added item and a descendant, right? So it's working this way, but I don't need this. I have to do only single item here. I have to. So the reason is, if you see the template section, the blog is one type of feature. So I have to add a new JSON file for this particular feature. I have to do the serialization only for this Sitecore Shades folder, not for all the descendant values. So I have removed that, and now it's looking fine. So let's do the pull.ps one again. Go to terminal and then cd p tab, yes tab, and then pull tab, then enter. Okay, now I can see the hero carousel is not included, but it's serialized as okay. Okay, let's run a validate command now. Validate and enter. Mm, Again run pull.ps1. Okay, let's remove the issues. Yeah, now you can see these files are removed, these template files and the page content and the page design. It's removed all the files. Okay, the partial design. But still, I can see the blog cards are added. Mm, okay, it's the data folder, so it's not a issue. It will automatically come in the project folder. I have to check only the templates. Okay, the template is not updated. That's fine. And I could see the page content is removed. Which one? Page and page content. Okay, templates. Okay, it's related with the template section. Page design also removed. Sitecore page design folder. Okay, okay. Um, mm, if you see the project folder, we can do the serialization for all the files because the project folder is the base folder, and we can do the serialization in the project layer itself. So if you go to the project layer and go to project layer, and here we can add that serialization, control C and then control V, and here we can add a item dot descendant. Now it's fine. Stand block. Okay, stand block project, right? Is it okay? It's the common project, not a stand block project. So I think I have to create one more folder like website, and there we can maintain this website. I am planning to move into the another project. Actually, if you see that this is the stand block project. I could not maintain the common level configuration here. So definitely I have to create a one new project. There I can accommodate all the changes which are common to all the project. That means currently I have a stand block project. In future, I can add one more project, and 4 to 5 projects I can add. So if I have any new feature and it's common for all the project, then I can use this website folder to hold that. So let's create a new project and .NET framework. Go here, and here I can find that project, and then next, and then src, and then project, and then we have to create a new folder. The folder name is website, and select, and we have to give the solution name. The solution name is let's check the existing name. um, Okay, the format is foundations. I could say it's like that way. So project dot website dot project dot website dot so we can give a name like sc dot project dot website. It looks good. Then create, and create. Then open the solution in File Explorer, and then go here. Here we need to change the folder name as code, and let's remove it, and then add the project again. Existing project, and let's copy this. Go here and choose it. Okay, and right click the website and change into none option, and then save. And now we are good. So now we can add a JSON file here. Copy, then try to paste. Okay, then rename it project.website. Okay, project dot. Okay, So go here, open folder, and then copy this, and then website and copy here. And let's rename it project.website.module. Project. Let's remove it and add add existing item, um, src, and then project, and then website, and then hit okay. Now it looks fine, but we have to keep only this one. And here also we can remove this one, we don't need it. And SitecoreShades template standblock website project. Okay, let's give it a try, and let's run pull. um, okay, what's the issue? Configuration is denied twice found. Mm-hmm. Actually, I'm using the same JSON in two places. That's the issue. Website model. Okay, the name is good. SRC project website and project website module.json. Okay, let's have a look. Project website dot module. It's right. Site code CSRC project and then website project stand block. Okay. Project stand block dot module dot json. Project. Okay. Sorry. The issue is here. Projects dot stand block. I have to change this name. That is the issue. Website. And let's run it again. Yeah. Now this looks good. And okay. Now it has added all the required files. And yeah. So we have completed the project level sections, and let's check all the files here. Okay, refresh, and then go to content editor, and then go to template, and then project. Okay. Hmm. Okay, it's fine. So in the feature, we have added the two features, right? One is the blog feature, and another one is hero. So same, we have to add in the Visual Studio, then only we can serialize these items. And okay. mm, Actually, I have created the branches, and actually I have done the clone rendering. So when we do the clone rendering, it will automatically create the branches and the system settings, everything. But I think I could not find those settings here. um, Okay, first let's create a two feature project, and then we will check that. Feature, and in the feature we can create a folder. First folder is the hero, and next one is the blog. Actually, I'm not going to add any code changes. I'm just creating the new project for holding my JSON files. That is the reason for creating project. Otherwise, in case in the future, if we need to add any new code files in the project, then we can directly add that. We don't need to again work on the solution setup. We can directly add our code changes, whatever we need. So let's create a new project, and .NET framework, next, and src, and then feature. And here we need to create a two folders. One is the blog, and another one is hero. Blog, and the next one is the hero. So let's use the blog now, and the name is feature dot blog. Okay. feature dot SitecoreShades dot and then log. Then create, remove it, and then create. And okay, then open this solution, and we have to change the folder name as code. Let's remove it and add a existing project and feature blog website, change it to none, and then save. And create another project for hero.net framework the same way. Next, and then select the hero folder and give the name like feature dot psycho shades dot hero, and create, and then remove, and then create, and open the project, and then go here and change the name to code. Let's remove the project and add an existing project. Go to hero and then choose the project and right click and then properties and then change into none. Okay, now everything is fine. The next step is we have to copy our JSON files. Go here and SRC and foundation. Let's copy from project. Control C and then SRC and then feature and then blog. Correct. Change the name to it's a feature layer, right? Feature dot the name is hero, and the same way we have to change here feature and then blog and then dot. Okay. Now we can directly add the existing item, SRC and then feature and then blog and then open it. Add existing item, SRC, feature, hero, and this one. Okay. Let's change the name feature dot blog, right? And the reference is foundation. Data foundation. And feature dot hero. Feature dot hero and reference is foundation. Okay, so let's add all the required files here. It's for my blog template, and then okay, go in the blog and then copy the path and paste it here. And okay, everything is fine. I have created the template and the data already added, and I didn't create any new stuff for this one. And I think the search scope everything already updated in the project layer. Let's see. mm, where is that? The settings, and it's related with the blog, right? In the scope, setting node, everything is added the project layer. So let's check it. It's the setting node, and I think it may updated. But what about the scope in the project? Okay, it's in the project layer only. Okay, website project project website. Okay, it's in the website, right? Already added all the contents here within the stand block. Okay. Uh, mm, let's search it. Mm, okay. As now we can leave that. And for the blog, we have added the blog template, and we don't need any other items. Then save, and then uh, for hero, let's remove it and give a name like a hero, and let's copy the hero path. Okay, actually in the system, in the settings, and feature in SitecoreShades. Okay, so here I already added the um, some settings for my module. So this also I have to include in my serialization. So current item does not in the serialization. Okay, I think now I need to add this. Um, Copy, and so this kind of changes will come under the project level. In this one, Control C and Control V. So we can do the serialization for the no, the Sitecore Shades folder. Um, we can give the name like settings, and okay, now everything is fine. And the branches feature and Sitecore Shades, okay, it's created the branches also. So it's related with the feature, right? So we can directly add it here. Control C and then Control V, and the hero branches, and we have to give the path this one. And now you can see I'm giving only the hero path. I didn't mention the parent path site code. So this path I have to mention in the project level. So go here and copy this and paste, and this stand block branches and block branches, and copy this path. And here I need to do only the single item, not the descendant, because I have added the descendant in the feature layer. So copy single item. Okay, now it's fine. It seems like everything is fine now. So the hero module is done, and the template and branches. Okay, so let's try the pull.ps one now. File system integration validation. Okay, let's run the validation. Okay, it's done now, and let's look into the changes. Um, Hero setup. Okay, now I can see the hero templates, and yeah, everything is fine. It's related with the blog, and it's related with the hero. So I hope we are good. We are good to push all of our changes. Mm, Commit all, and then save, and then push. So the next part, Okay, pull then push. Okay. So the next part is we have to do work on our custom view path. Do you remember that we have added the custom view path in the www root, but we have done the changes directly in the www root. So whenever I ask any new developers to work on that part, definitely I have to add those items into my version control. Then only they can also move those changes into their www root, and we don't need to move that. Um, directly move that using we can directly move those automatically by using gulp command. So anyways, I have to keep all those files in the Visual Studio, right? Then only it will do the sync. So let's work on that part and go to the www root. Okay, I landed to my www root, and now you can see I have created the stand block folder. So the same folder I have to create in the um, Visual Studio. So the first change is related with the carousel link list and then navigation. Mm, okay. Uh, so the best practice is we have to create the separate feature, and within the best practice is we can create the separate feature for those three section: carousel, list, and navigation. But for demo purpose, I'm going to use the single feature for all those three. Mm, okay. These are related with the projects. These are related with the single project. The project name is stand block, right? So I think we can keep all those three files here. Um, Actually, if you see the carousel link list and navigation commands, these are related with the stand block project. It's not related with any feature or foundation. It's not common for all my project layers. It's not common for all of my project. So the best we can keep all these three folders within our project layer. So go to the project and open, and then we can create a new folder, stand block. Okay, and add in the new folder and stand block. And within the stand block we have to create one more folder, that is views. And so copy this whole folder and paste in your solution file, open file system, and then here. So let's remove it. You can directly refer that. Add existing item, and um, go to the project website, sorry, stand block, and then code. That is my view file. I think I have updated the view file in the wrong place. So paste it here, and then okay, add. I have to add the whole files, right? Stand block, and then views. Stand block views, and then on web config, add existing item, stand block view file, and within the view we have to add two folders, right? um, First folder is the, it's wrong, first folder is the carousel. See, the item cannot be found, that is okay. Let's remove it and add a new folder, and then with carousel. And the next folder is the link list, and then navigation. Add a new folder, link list. Third folder is the navigation folder navigation. And the carousel, add existing item, carousel. And link list, add existing item. Okay. Navigation, add existing item. Okay, two items. Okay, now we are good. And so if we do the gulp command, it will automatically move all of our views file into our www root. So let's push the changes, then stage and save, and custom viewport files, new files, staged, and then push. So our setup is done. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned for my next video.